First PR of 2025 came in, and we're going to put it to the test today. See if it works on my 48-year-old, normal to dry, age spot, rosacea, a little bit, skin. So we're definitely going to need some blurring. This is the primer, and Pretty Fresh primer and Pretty Fresh ColourPop setting spray. But this is just going to be a normal mom day for me. I've got to take my daughter to dance class, pick up my son later, and go to karate class tonight. So there's the primer. It's not a huge bottle, but it's a nice good size. We've definitely got some skincare in there. It lists peptides, niacinamide, HA, weightless cream gel, extends makeup wear, all day shine control, blurs the look of pores. So I'm going to concentrate that here and kind of up on my forehead. I like the blurring for my line. HA, that's hyaluronic acid, which we love for plumping the skin, hydration. All right, here we go. Nice kind of cream gel. We're going to get right up in there. You can see I've got a lot of pore situations here. And that's what we look like up there. The only thing I've done today is skincare. So we'll just kind of start there and see how we do. I always like to put some right there. I have a line. Okay. What do we think? Okay. I'm definitely seeing some blurring. Okay, I'm just kind of putting it all over, really. Feels good. No scent, really. It feels smooth. Yeah, baby. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup. I can really see that blurring now. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I can really see that blurring effect for sure. It says you can wear it alone or with makeup. Obviously, I'm about to do my makeup. I'm going to do just kind of a light look, and then we'll lock it in. I don't know if you saw my picture I posted on Instagram with all the locks and keys and stuff. I thought it was really cute. Didn't really go very far, but I liked it. Available at ColourPop.com right now. They're both $12 each. I'll check and see if you can get them on the TikTok shop. Coming soon to Ulta and Target. Setting spray. Claims a 16-hour wear, waterproof, transfer-proof. Ultra hydrating mist. We're just getting it all. I know they say do like an X and then a T. I think we got enough. Infused with peptides, niacinamide, and aloe vera. Nice. So we'll check back in at the end of the day and we'll see how this went. I'm not going to do any touch-ups. The only thing I can foresee a touch-up is the eyeliner. Sometimes that just kind of fades out for me. Wish me luck. I'm running late now. I gotta go. My hair's crazy. Crazy mom hair, as usual. Just tie it up in a bun. Reading glasses because I'm old. And we gotta go. Okay, bye. And we are back. I'm ready to take this makeup off and go to bed. So let's talk about it. It's been about 12 hours since I filmed. And as expected, the eyeliner was a goner. I knew that was going to happen. I'm still seeing, some of the blurring. The rest of my makeup is mostly there. Looks like this eyeshadow kind of, I was crying a little bit earlier. I was watching a sad movie. So I know that's why some of this makeup got smeared, and I was laying in both of my children's beds. So I don't know. I'm going to keep testing it out this week and see how it does, but the survived in real life is definitely a test. I'll tell you that. I do like the blurring effect that I saw with the price. I love how both products have skincare in them as well. So let me know what you think. Are you going to try these products? ColourPop. Pretty fresh. Thanks, ColourPop. Thanks for watching. Make sure to follow for more. My name's Amber Wood, over 40 Makeup Mom. Bye.